Welcome back to DM Academy. For inquiries, you may email us at dmacademyesc2020@gmail.com. Okay, so our topic for today is evaluating functions. Okay, so how do we evaluate functions? Okay, to evaluate functions, all you have to do is to substitute its variable for any number or expression. So basically, we will just use a substitution method here to evaluate functions. Aside for an example, we have the given function f of x is equal to mx plus b. If we want to define f of c here, f of c is defined by f of c is equal to mc plus b. As you can see, we just used a substitution method here. We just changed the value of x to c. That's why from an equation f of x is equal to mx plus b, f of c is defined by f of c is equal to mc plus b. So again, if you want to evaluate functions, all you have to do is just use the substitution method. Okay, to understand more about the evaluating functions, let's have an example here. Okay, given that f is the function defined by f of x is equal to 4x squared minus 6x plus 3, we will find, or we will evaluate, f of 0, f of 2, f of negative 5, and f of 1/2. Okay, let's start with the first one. Let us evaluate the given function by f of 0. Okay, so our given function f of x is equal to 4x squared minus 6x plus 3. Okay, f of 0 is equal to 4 times 0 squared minus 6 times 0 plus 3. As you can see, we just substitute the value of 0 to x. Okay, then simplify. F of 0 is equal to 4 times 0 squared is just 0 minus 6 times 0 is still 0 plus 3. Okay, so f of 0 is 3. Okay, another one. For b, let us evaluate the given function f of 2 is equal to 4 times 2 squared minus 6 times 2 plus 3. Okay, f of 2 is equal to 4 times 2 squared is 4 minus 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3. Okay, so f of 2 is equal to 4 times 4 is 16 minus 12 plus 3. Okay, so f of 2 is equal to 16 minus 12 plus 3 is 7. So f of 2 is 7. Okay, another one. Let us evaluate the function by f of negative 5. Okay, this is equal to 4 times negative 5 squared minus 6 times negative 5 plus 3. Okay, f of negative 5 is equal to 4. Negative 5 squared is positive 25 minus 6 times negative 5, it's actually plus 30 and plus 3. Okay, f of negative 5 is equal to 4 times 25 is 100 plus 30 plus 3. Okay, so f of negative 5 is equal to 133. Okay, another one. Let us evaluate the function by f of 1/2. Okay, this is equal to 4 times 1/2 square minus 6 times 1/2 plus 3. Okay, so f of 1/2 is equal to 4 times 1/2 square is 1/4 minus 6 times 1/2, that is 3, plus 3. Okay, so f of 1/2 is equal to 4 times 1/4 is 1 minus 3 plus 3. Okay, so our f of 1/2 is equal to 1. Okay, so for our for this problem, as you can see, we just substitute a numerical values 0 to negative 5 and 1/2. What if we will substitute an expression to our given functions? Okay, so let's have another problem. Okay, just like this. Given that f is the function defined by f of x is equal to 3x minus 6, we will find f of a plus b, f of a minus b over 3, and f of b minus h, and f of b plus h all over 6. Okay, so as you can see, these are expressions that we are going to substitute on our given functions. Okay, so let's solve. Okay, so let's start with letter A. Let us evaluate f of a plus b. And this is equal to 3 times a plus b minus 6. Okay, so f of a plus b is equal to 3 times a, that is 3a, use the distributive property, plus 3 times b, that is 3b, then minus 6. Okay, that's it. This is f of a plus b. Okay, another one. Okay, let's have of f of a minus b all over 3. This is equal to 3 multiplied by the a minus b all over 3 minus 6. Okay, so f of a minus b all over 3 is equal to 3 times the quantity of a minus b all over 3 is just a minus b, because here we can cancel out 3. Then minus 6. So our f of a minus b all over 3 is a minus b minus 6. Okay, next. Okay, let us evaluate the function by f of b minus h. Okay, this is equal to 3 times b minus h minus 6. Okay, so f of b minus h is equal to distributive property again. Multiply 3 to b minus h. You have 3b minus 3h minus 6. Okay, that's it. This is our f of b minus h. Okay, and last, we'll evaluate the given function by f of b plus h all over 6. Okay, and this is equal to 3 times b plus h all over 6 minus 6. Okay, so f of b plus h all over 6 is equal to 3 times the quantity of b plus h all over 6 is b plus h all over 2 minus 6. Okay, so if you want to simplify this, we have f of b plus h all over 6 is equal to b plus h minus 12 all over 2. Okay, so this is our f of b plus h all over 6. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.